Hello, 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 hello. I hope you can hear me. So, yep. So, about this video, right? So, this video is a little bit about like the details on the new update. I'm just gonna be explaining them, what we're gonna be adding and what we're gonna be removing, and what we're gonna be thinking of improving so we can get more trades, right? So, these are the B settings that we are using right now, right? Okay, the delete opposite, it doesn't delete. This other account, which is in a, which is why yesterday we were able to recover. It was because this other opposite pending order, it was there, which is why we were able to recover the loss that we made yesterday. So today it's a different story, right? So today the big problem that I have is because use range filter size. Now we're not using the range filter size yet because I'm still trying to figure out which one it's gonna be good, or how to get, what do you call it, let me try to defend myself on Discord. uh okay, so yeah, I'll defend myself. So yeah, so I was talking about the range filter size. This function is already here, right? What it needs is just testing and improvising, right? So the problem is with this filter, the range filter is the percentage. It's percentage based. We cannot just put 20 pips or 5 pips, which means I need to go down and test like 3 to 4 years just to get that sweet spot on the range breakout, because most of the people who are like purchasing the EA, they wanted the EA to trade each and every day. Mara, if we put this filter on, it's not gonna trade each and every day, which means if we had put this feature on yesterday, it wasn't gonna trade today. So basically, let me just close this. So we're gonna do and zoom in. I'm in my VPS now. So roughly, okay, we made a profit, we made a profit, we made a profit, we made a profit. The only losses we made in our history from this account is only yesterday and also today, if anything, if a miracle happens. So let's see, what time is the thing going to close. Is it going to close the trade? I just want to see the time. When is it going to close? Time, active time. Now let me just go back to the settings to see. And to see what the time will be. It's set to, I do forget the settings, that's why I have a PDF for it. So time, it's gonna close around midnight. So roughly now, how many bars are we waiting for? We're waiting for only one bar to show up. So I just wish that it brings us a little bit lower so that we can make at least a small loss, right? So guys, losses like this are gonna occur, right? It's just that we don't want these losses to be big, which is why they're gonna hinder our growth, right? If we lose that much, I'm gonna be having at least still some money left. Gonna still have like 300 profit, which means if another one comes back and engulfs us with like 140 profit, I'll still be up, which means you guys are also still gonna be up. As you can see, the market has been consolidating at this rate. So the main point is we were looking for, it was to watch it explode to the downside, but I don't think we could have much time, because these trades and pending orders, they're gonna go away very soon. So basically, I was hoping that these two trades, they were gonna get us a little bit into profit, but I guess the market is doing some other things. So the major problem here that I want to fix, it's for people with small accounts. People with small accounts, now you can do this, but I prefer that you can go like on a center account and then you take it, you do it, so that you have more growth and more room for a margin. So here, what I'm looking for, it's still a good day. No, we just made a little loss for the first time, so basically we just gotta take it, because hey, it's just a small loss, guys. It's not like we blew the whole account. So losses are part of the game, and losses are meant to happen in the forex exchange market. You cannot grow. There's no EA that makes 100% everything. It's just that this one compounds. It wins more and loses less. That's the key, and that's how we grow. So basically now what I may want to make this video for is to tell you guys about the update and things that we want to change. On the next set file that I'm gonna give you, there's gonna be high risk and low risk. Low risk, it's gonna have this filter size. Low risk is not gonna trade each and every day, and then high risk is gonna trade each and every day, which means that the filter it does not have a filter size. As you can see now, the height from here and here they're big, right? Which means it's always gonna take stop loss above. It's just leaving room for the market to come back and play here and then shoots back. That's why it's always above. So if we change that and put it here in the middle, you see that okay, your stop loss is here, the market goes back, hits a stop loss and then goes back down and you're gonna cry. So what this is like the principle of the strategy. If it's changing direction, it needs to go outside that previous high. You understand? That will mean that directions have changed permanently. If it comes back and plays here, there's still an opportunity for it to go back down. So what we want to do is the new settings for the filter. This filter, if it goes high like this, it's not gonna trade, because remember, for it to trade, it needs to put up the filter first to get the high and the low of that time period that we set in the setting. So if it gets a higher one, it's not gonna trade it. That's a filter, right? So which means it will only trade small ones like this one. This one, it was like right here, then okay, it broke to the below. So you see, it does move fine. Oh, take a look at this one. This one, it plays the trade, right? It went back inside, then it went back down. This is what we're catering for. So don't stress, guys, more settings are on the way, and then we're also gonna add more pairs that are suitable for the strategy and profitable for the strategy, just so we don't make money only on gold. We need to make money everywhere. So rest assured, this video is just an update for whatever we're doing here. And yeah, I'm not very good on video making, but I hope as time goes on I'll get good at it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And yeah, this is all that I want to say, guys. About the EA, you can search it online. It's Epic 3.0. So the risk on this account is how much? Risk. I'm only risking 75. Yeah. So thanks, guys.